The 3D Range of Motion 3D ROM platform is a unique and innovative high-tech system that uses Bluetooth sensors to capture and analyze body movements. These sensors are attached to any part of the body and then stream live 3D movement data to an iPad so one can instantly review the range of motion, the quality of that motion, as well as track trends over time. These movements can then be evaluated by viewing tabulated data, graphs, or seeing the simulated movement on a 3D avatar. As an example, let's do a live test on the back. The sensor is quickly and simply strapped to the back using an elastic Velcro strap to hold the sensor firmly in place during the movement. The subject holds the pain button. Let's record multiple repetitions of flexion, extension, rotation, and lateral movements. When the subject feels pain, they will press the button, and the system will mark the exact range of movement that has taken place until the button has been pressed. Now we can review the results in multiple ways. 1. On the graph, you can see the time taken to reach the maximum range of motion. In a healthy subject, you will see a smooth graph representing each repetition, namely that there are no jagged appearances during the movement, which would represent possible pain areas. 2. In a subject that is experiencing pain, you would see a ladder graph that would look like this, namely where the subject has paused during the movements. Our proprietary artificial intelligence solution helps analyze the data so that, for example, if the subject is consistently extending or flexing during a rotation movement, it would indicate the exact angle of a pain point. In addition, the subject may press a button when they feel pain, and the system will record the exact areas or position where the pain occurs. This useful facility not only helps with diagnosing the problem, but also eliminates the possibility of malingering. 3. If a subject is malingering, you would be able to detect this by viewing the A. Inconsistent range of motion maximums on each repetition. B. Different areas on the graph indicating pausing and then moving again. C. Different pain point areas marked when the subject presses the pain button. 4. The system can also be used to analyze ergonomics risk by establishing quantifiable movement patterns that are required to complete a task safely. A. One can analyze the data and establish safe postures. B. Quantify all awkward postures over time. C. Quantify static postures. D. Quantify real-time repetitions of a task. An additional value add of this solution is that it allows for remote monitoring, which can significantly reduce operational costs. The system is designed to assist with pre-employment testing, return to work, and risk management of potential employees whose range of motion is slowly deteriorating over time. All this technology is developed locally and proudly South African. Software validation has been approved by the University of the Witwatersrand Movement Lab, and various validation studies have been undertaken. Visit 3djointrom.com for more information, or email info@3djointrom.com.